Ah, I'm so laggy. Do you wanna know how to make this?
Guys, remember this song?
I wanna know how to make one of these. Okay, first you need to place a cylinder and then a motor too as this position and get this motor to unpower the motor and then lock the motor and then I play what? What? And then I place two half blocks here and then motor 2 here and then place another one here positioned like this and then we place two blocks. Okay, okay. Sub to that guy. And then you add two blocks, you go to the gears and then just place four guns here and mine's I don't have any gun blocks anymore so I'm gonna use these.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
And then
It's me, Kirby, and
I go
last year making a tutorial.
to cutter. You can copy this one or make this shredder like this.
Please don't subscribe to my
You could add a lot of cutters, but I recommend only using 4.
You wanna watch the video?
Nah, but later, wait.
Watch
I'm
it.
making a tutorial video, okay?
I'm building a house.
And then you toggle this and then only put J
If you guys are going to make
here again. Place your main pilot seat there. Get the camera. Don't keep it as first person. It's gonna be bad in first person, so configure, enable third person, and then now you're done. First, let's test it out if it works.
Yeah, but how
The hell?
someone tries to push the sound?
Okay, the shredder one doesn't work. The shredder one doesn't work, guys.
Hey, you better show me the tutorial guy.
And then Sunny. So only build the minigunner one. See you in the next vid. Bye.